Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this two different type attachments for your KitchenAid. Great products. This is a salad maker, so you can make all different types of salad, like shredding like carrots, cucumbers, any type of vegetables. Pretty much you can use this for. So you simply place it on here in the front. I'm just going to show you. You just put it right here in the front. You attach that thing back on, and then you simply put in the piece. So if you want this one, just clicks on right like that. Right here is the button, and then you could take it on and off. So click, and it's on, and now it's not coming off. And then you add whatever vegetable you want to grate. So if you put the cucumber in, it's going to slice it or shred it. This one would be slicing, and this would be shredding in bigger things, and this would be shredding smaller pieces. So great product, easy to work. I love it. Then we have the meat one, and the meat one is the same thing. You place it like that. This goes up here, which I'll show you later how to install better. But overall, it's a great product. It comes with different type blades as well, so you can chop meat different types. You can also, it has sausage rolls, so you can attach this. You can actually make sausages if you like. Different things. It comes with brushes to clean. Love it. Highly recommend it. It's a great product made of stainless steel, and it's perfect. It works great on your KitchenAid. And that's it. All you need is one tool, two different things for salad, for meat, and that's it. And all on your KitchenAid. So highly recommend this product. Hope you enjoy. Bye.